Personally speaking, social media is nothing but a waste of time. If you ask me, desktop computer is much better than laptop. Frankly speaking, I don't care what people think about me. Please don't take it so seriously. Actually, in this video, I'm going to talk about 10 such common English phrases that native speakers use to express their opinion. So you could also use these expressions in your daily speaking to express your opinion to someone else. So I'm here with you, Rajib Bhaskar, and you're watching me on RajibTalks. Let's begin. So the first phrase, I think. I think. This is a very common, short and simple phrase to express your opinion. Suppose recently went to a movie with your friends. Now, if your friend asks you for your opinion, you could say, I think the movie was really awesome. Or you could say, I think the movie was not so bad for me. Let's see one more situation. Suppose you like to give your opinion about any place. You could start the sentence like, I think living in a city like Mumbai is very expensive. Or you could say, I think living in a city like Mumbai is not so expensive. Now if you think, I'll make the sentence a little stronger. Just you need to add an adjective or adverb. I really think the movie was not so bad for me. I really think living in a city like Mumbai is very expensive. I think it was clear to you. Let's see the next one. If you are frequently using I think in your sentences, then definitely you could try this one. I believe. I believe. So when you get surprised at someone's talent and you want to give your opinion, you could say, I believe that every person is born with talent. Or when you see that any movie is going to be hit and someone asks for your opinion, you could say, I believe the movie is going to be very popular. So this way you could make many sentences like, I believe the project will be a huge success. I believe India will definitely win the match, etc. Now if you think that I'll make these sentences a little stronger, you just need to say, I strongly believe, or I firmly believe, or you could also say, I honestly believe. I honestly believe communication skill is a powerful skill. I strongly believe there is no success without hard work. Or I firmly believe if you work on your passion today, it will definitely become a profession tomorrow, etc. Now let's see the next one. The next one is I feel. I feel. I feel this is a good idea. I feel football is more fun than tennis. Or you could say, I feel nobody knows him better than me. Here also, if you wish to express your opinion with a little impression, you could say, I truly feel this is a good idea. I truly feel football is more fun than tennis. Or you could say, I truly feel nobody knows him better than me. So you need to practice these phrases for some days and you will see automatically they have become your friends. Now let's see the next one. I guess. I guess. This is also a nice and so simple phrase for your opinion. See, when you are getting so bored in using the previous phrases, then you could definitely try this. I guess what he is saying is not so bad. I guess this is just something else I have to overcome. Or you could say like this, I guess everything changes when you get older, etc. Now let's move towards the next phrase, in my opinion. In my opinion. And this is also a pretty good way to start your sentence. In my opinion, he has done a great job. In my opinion, Alchemist is the best book ever written. Or you could also say like, in my opinion, health is the most important thing in life. And if you wish to make these sentences a little stronger, you could say, in my honest opinion. In my honest opinion, they should get the promotion. In my honest opinion, desktop computer is much better than laptop. Now let's see the next one. I would say. This is also a common expression in daily speaking. You could normally use these in your speaking because this is also a wonderful way to give your opinion. Look at these sentences. I would say the offer was not good enough. I would say we have a golden chance of winning the game today. Or you could make sentence like, I would say the movie was good but could be better. In this way you can make many sentences as you wish. Now let's see the next one. If you ask me. If you ask me. This is also a common but very nice way to start your sentence. Suppose if you like to give your opinion about the price of something, you could say, if you ask me, the house is really overpriced. You should think once again. Like this you could say, if you ask me, alcohol should be banned in our country. Or you could say, if you ask me, she doesn't really want the job, etc. Let's move towards the next one. To be honest. To be honest. To be honest, the food was really very tasty. To be honest, I am not so interested in reading books. And if you wish, you can also include the words like completely or perfectly to make it a little stronger. To be completely honest, I never like action movies. Or you could say, to be perfectly honest, I never like action movies, etc. There is one more unique way to express your opinion, that is personally speaking. If you spend too much time in social media and ultimately realize this is a waste of time, then this is how you could give your opinion. Personally speaking, social media is nothing but a waste of time. Or you could say, personally speaking, social media is just a waste of time, etc. And if you wish to give your personal opinion about someone's positive or negative quality, you could say, personally speaking, your sense of humor is really brilliant. Or you could also say, personally speaking, your handwriting is really awesome, etc. Now look at this last expression, which is also great for your opinion. Frankly speaking. Frankly speaking. Or you could also say, to be frank or to be very frank. Suppose you have watched a full movie from starting to end, but you haven't got anything special in it. Now, if someone asks for your opinion, you could say, frankly speaking, there is nothing special in the movie. Or you could say, to be frank, there is nothing special in the movie, etc. But if you like to sound a little stronger, you could say, to be very frank, there is nothing special in the movie. That's all. So guys, just start using these phrases in your speaking and you will definitely see a good improvement in your fluency for sure. And please write at least one sentence with your favorite phrase in the comment section below. Your positive response always motivates me to make next videos. I'll come back with more such interesting lessons. Till then, take care. Bye bye.